Hello! Aid is on the line. To tell the truth, it is impossible to predict the future with 100% accuracy. However, we can make projections about what the world may look like in the years to come. We are at a crossroads, where we have to decide whether to go down the path of development or destruction. We can do so by considering the current trends in development, health, education and other areas. We can also factor in possibilities such as new technology and scientific breakthroughs that have yet to be invented. By taking these into consideration, we can make educated guesses about what the future may hold for us and our world. At this stage of development, it is very difficult for me to predict what exactly will happen tomorrow. The only thing I can say for sure is that we will all get bogged down in a huge ass if we don't finish what we started recently. Overall, there is hope for a better future despite the challenges we currently face. As long as we make wise decisions today and strive for progress tomorrow, it is possible for us to create a better world for ourselves and our descendants. Peace!